guys, Candace here, and I'm coming to you today with a massive unboxing. So, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching my previous video. I truly appreciate it. I bought a couple of things because I have a birthday of my daughter coming up. So I bought some things. So let's see what I got. So this one is from Oriental Trading. I'm like, what is this? Like a this oh so my daughter wants a mini round party, but I have a boy, so I bought him these. There's a boy ones instead of the girl ones. So I bought these for him. And it came with my order form. I paid $8.99 for these, I believe. This is from, it just says fast birthday. So this is probably something from Amazon. Packages are falling. Oh, my hair is getting all in the way. Oh, so these are the cups, and they come with the stickers. So they come with these color cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 cups with the straws, the caps, and the Minnie Mouse stickers. Because her theme is Minnie Mouse. This is not going to be like a mermaid party. Because it's indoors and this is indoors. I'm just doing something with my kids. What is this, I wonder? Oh, dang. So, this is a faja. I ordered me a faja because I'm gonna just be a little snatched a little bit. So I ordered me a faja. It came quick. Usually I thought when you order from Instagram, they take forever. But this only took like a week. These are the straps, and then this comes with a zipper, so when you have to use the bathroom, ladies, y'all know how it is. You put on one of these and you have to get all undressed in the bathroom, but not anymore. Just pull your pants down and unzip the crotch and you're good to go. I love that this comes with a zipper. I can put it on and fasten it, and then I can zip it. And yeah, I'm happy for that. These are the Minnie Mouse sticks, toothpick thingies that's going to go inside the cupcakes. I'm not doing the cupcakes and cutting a cake. I mean, I'm not doing a big cake and cutting a cake and you need plate. No. This. Boop, and put them right in the cupcakes. Grateful for that. Oh, this is her outfit. This is her little outfit. This is a little tutu. This is her little tutu. It came with her Minnie Mouse ears. This is cute. And it came, how much was this? Oh, it doesn't say. I think I paid like $23 for it. And this is her shirt, her Minnie Mouse shirt. It says birthday girl. So if there's some Converse upstairs, pink and white ones, if she could fit them, because they were my first orders, if she can fit them, I'll put those on with her. This is for me. I bought a laptop stand. That way I can do my lives. I can put it. I'll show you. because I'm under 1,000 subscribers. I can only do lives from my laptop, so I can put my laptop on here. I'm not sure the way it goes yet. I think it goes this way and then, oh, that's the way it goes. It goes this way and this raises up. So the laptop will go here and it'll sit here, and I'll I'll be able to position it on my countertop and put my laptop facing my stove, and you guys can see what I'm cooking like that, so I can cook live. This is cute. I paid $23 for this, I believe. It's adjustable laptop stand. Now to the big guy. The big guy. This is from Party City, so this is birthday stuff. Yes, I think this is it. This is all birthday stuff. It's not like this. These are, I'm gonna put in a gift bag. These are balloon bubbles. These are bubbles, and like they're Minnie Mouse, and they come with 4. These are Minnie Mouse shades. These are gonna go in the gift bags. These are light up bracelets. Minnie Mouse light up bracelets. I bought 2 packs of the bubbles. This is the slime. No. It's like Minnie Mouse slime. What? Those are like 50 cents each or something. This is a Minnie Mouse sticker book. So each of the gift bags is just gonna get one, like one sticker.
Mommy, this is mine. This all mine.
This is
Mommy, all these are mine.
Excuse me, you're being rude. Did you finish eating? Huh? Did you finish eating, Cora? Her hair is just like so big. So this has 8 play money pads, 8 bracelets, 8 jewelry clips, 8 maze puzzles, 8 mini tops, and 8 lit whistles. This came like this because I ordered the gift bags, like a party set. These are the gift bags. I think these are so cute. I think these are so cute. So they come with the ears that you have to stick on. I think this is so freaking adorable. Let me open it. Bye. Bye.
Sorry, Mommy.
Out, please. Out. So these are the gift bags. I'm gonna throw everything inside, and I put the ears on top of the gift bag. Like that. They come with like a little sticky, a little adhesive. I stick them here. This is so cute. I'm gonna run to Dollar Tree and get like some candy and stuff like that to sprinkle into the bag. I would think that this is a receipt from Party City, but it doesn't say the price. But yeah, this is all her birthday stuff. Like, I don't have to, I'm not having a whole bunch of guests, so I didn't have to get a whole bunch of little party bags and stuff like that. I just have some like for my nieces and my kids, and that's it. But thanks for watching. Bye.